is happening in the party today, and if you think PDP is working towards taking over from the APC, what is happening currently?
Thank you very much for this question. As you can see in this gathering, upon your question, that the youth of the party, I strongly believe that PDP is ready now to take over power from this ruling party. One. Secondly, I want to assure you that Nigerian youth, especially this forum, that is Youth Leaders Forum, we will not go sideways with our leaders, especially our governors of the NWC, for their hard working and dedication to see that this party walk forward. We are with the convention dates, we are with the convention zoning, we are with the decisions with the NWC at the last NEC meeting held here in Abuja. We, the youth, as the few soldiers, we are with the decision of the party. We support the zoning, we support the convention date, and we assure the Nigerians that this convention and the zoning will hold, and nobody and nothing will stop it from holding this convention, coming convention, inshallah.
Even with what the FCT minister has said, that while the convention is holding in Ibadan, he will be holding his own hearings.
FCT minister is a member of the party. I'm talking about the organ of the party. The party, the NEC, and the organ of the party has spoken. The FCT minister is a member of the party as any other member of the party. Now the governors forum, the NWC has made a decision, and the party, well, we are with the support of the decision of the National Convention Committee. It's the high organ of the party, and nothing will change that decision. Thank you.